نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. Look at the topic of my article, Islamophobia and how to address it. Introduction. Islamophobia is a combination of the word Islam and the Greek word phobia, meaning fear. From this, non-Muslims mean fearing Islamic civilization and fearing ethnic Muslim groups. Often non-Muslims are excited against Islam and poisoned against Islamic teachings to create hatred against Muslims and Islams, due to which the fear of Islam enters their hearts. It is called recognizing Islamophobia as a crime. Islam is the religion of the nature and it is the favorite religion of Allah. It is the best way to live a pure life in this world that Allah Almighty has given to His servant, and from the first prophet Adam to the last prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, announced this fact and invited them. But the human nature is also that he wants to live free from all imprisonment. So whenever the prophets, peace be upon them, invited him, a large group of people rose up in opposition to them and began in every way. They began to persecute the bearers of the truth and the preachers of Islam. All kinds of accusations were made against them and a gulf of enmity, hatred and disgust was established in this materially developed world. When Islam is spoken about, a large section of people look at it with hatred towards Islam and Muslims. But he makes accusations, sometimes he calls them by the name of terrorists, stereotypes and superstitious. How to address it? Self-confidence and perseverance are essential values in Islam. Self-confidence, number one. Tawakkul. فَإِذَا عَزَمْتَ فَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ. Number two. Istiqamah. فَاسْتَقِمْ كَمَا أُمِرْتَ. Number three. صبر. يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا اسْتَعِينُوا بِالصَّبْرِ. Number four. Jihad. وَجَاهِدُوا فِي اللَّهِ حَقَّ جِهَادِهِ. Number five. Dua. وقال ربكم ادعوني استجب لكم. Presenting a moral example is crucial in addressing Islamophobia and promoting a positive understanding of Islam. By presenting a moral example, Muslims can demonstrate the beauty of Islam and challenge negative stereotypes in Islamophobia. This can be done through number one, community service, engaging in volunteer work and charitable activities. Number two, interfaith dialogue, participating in respectful conversation with people of other faiths. Number three, education and awareness, sharing accurate information about Islam and its teaching. Number four, personal character, embedding excellent moral character in daily life. By presenting a moral example, we can help to. Conclusion: head should be answered with love. Head should be answered with love, and duty should be answered with friendship. Dirt can never be cleaned with dirt. It takes something clean to clean dirt. If we live our life by practicing Islam, then we will be able to respond to Islam in practice and fight Islamophobia. There is only one answer. We should make our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him,